Let's take a few minutes to look at Module 3 together. Here, in Overview, you see that we have identified that we are focusing on relationships between adults, the caregivers, and infant toddlers, as well as the caregivers and the family, so family-teacher relationships. We identify that we are going to focus on 3 outcomes for the class in answering these 3 essential questions. You have your to-do list, 5 assignments, and then you jump into module resources. Just to point out, because I've had a couple questions about module resources, you'll always note that the textbook is listed and the chapters and or page numbers are identified. Additionally, there are other materials that you need to look over and understand. So there's an understanding temperaments, worksheet, and reading. There's 3 videos. Again, we've seen these, but they're shared here again with a different emphasis, or they're being shared for the first time and you'll see them again later in class as well. And then we connect to the position statements that are related to this topic as well from NAEYC. So here are the materials that you should use for your module notes. And the module notes template is here under the module notes assignment. Most of you are doing really well with the module notes. Please keep in mind that you don't have to answer the essential questions for the module notes. That rubric isn't quite right. I should fix that. I've been giving you credit for it, whether you did it or not, because the essential questions are your module quizzes. If you have an error, like I noted in Module 2, if you have an error with your module notes and it causes you to not do well on the module quiz, you may retake the quiz. I am okay with that. And I tell you that in the comments. So make sure you're reading your grading comments. Let's scroll and look at one assignment real quickly. Let's start with our discussion board. Hopefully you've noticed that with the discussion boards, in the first module, you post your thoughts, your response to the instructions, and then the next module is when you're required to respond. If you want to go ahead and respond in the same module, that is fine. Of course, it lightens your load for the next module, but it's not required. That is one of those things that I've changed as we're moving towards weekly due dates versus bi-weekly due dates. This assignment is pretty, I won't say intense, but it's going to take you a few minutes because you have to choose 3 ideas to implement on family relationships. So you're going to choose 3 here. And maybe you already have a program handbook. So number 1 would be a great activity for you to do, and you're going to put all this information in there. Perhaps you don't have a program book, but you have all these handbook, but you have all these elements. You can create your handbook. I want these to be functional, helpful. If you are not in a program, you can make them up for a program and pretend. It's a pretend program. That's why you don't have to print the handbooks and hand them all out. You're submitting them for this work here. You might do an intake process, which means you're going to write it down. This is the process I'm going to teach families. These are the worksheets I'm going to have, or the questionnaires I'm going to have them fill out so that I understand their child and their expectations and their parenting practices. So these are just examples of how I would approach maybe 1 and 2. Number 3, a transition day. What would that look like? What would you expect? What would you want the family to do? And so you would create the invitation and you'd write the policy to go along with that day. You have to choose 3 of these. And you have 8 to choose from. You don't have to respond to each other in this part of the assignment, but you just have to get those posted. If you have questions, if you need help with your work, holler at me. That's what I'm here for.